Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how I make these delicious blueberry muffins. These muffins are going to make your home smell so good. I usually make these for breakfast and my kids love them. Let's get started. We're starting with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 3 teaspoons of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together very well, then set aside for later. Next, in a big bowl, we're going to mix together 2 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, half cup of canola oil, 1 cup of buttermilk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I like using buttermilk instead of milk because it'll make the muffins extra fluffy. Once everything is well mixed in, gradually add in the flour mixture. Make sure you don't overmix, otherwise your muffins will come out dense. Once everything is just incorporated, stop mixing. Next, we're going to add some fresh blueberries to the batter mixture. We're only adding 1 cup of blueberries to the batter. Then we're going to set 1 extra cup aside for topping. Gently fold in the blueberries. And then in order to enhance the flavor of the blueberries, we're going to add some lemon zest. I've gone ahead and added about 1 teaspoon of the lemon zest. And then I'm also going to add about 2 teaspoons of the lemon juice. Mix that in gently, and then we're going to pour the batter into our muffin tins. Make sure your muffin tins are very well sprayed with non-stick spray, and then using an ice cream scoop or a spoon, fill each muffin tin about 3/4 full. Next, top with the remaining 1 cup of fresh blueberries. Once all the muffin tins are filled, we're going to set them aside. Then make a delicious cinnamon crumb topping for the muffins. Combine 1 cup of flour with 2/3 cups sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon, then mix together. Next, toss in half a cup of butter, then mix everything together until well combined. Top each muffin with a crumb topping. This recipe is enough for 18 muffins. Then once everything is filled, it's time to start baking. Make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the muffins into the oven to bake for 20 to 25 minutes. My muffins baked for exactly 20 minutes. Make sure you do the toothpick test by sticking a toothpick in the middle of 1 muffin. If it comes out clean, it means they're fully baked. Make sure they cool down a little before taking them out of the muffin tins, otherwise they'll break apart. They are ridiculously soft and bursting with blueberry flavor. Look at how soft. I hope you guys try these blueberry muffins this summer because they are delicious. If you want the ingredients and measurements, check the description box.